Mark's driving.
Yo!
we got Jay Wells. We're told him.
Hot, so hot, sticky, sweet from my.
Alright, here we go. We're coming down the road here. We're gonna make a left up here at the railroad tracks and park. Get it, park? We're gonna go left right here. I'm gonna take a pan down the river, see what's up. Nobody down there, it's perfect. Oh yeah, there's people down there, let's go. Alright, Parker, park. Damn, I'm fucked up too.
Look at me.
Baseball.
Like fucking Parker with these shorts and fucking
Baseball,
shoes
hot
on.
dogs, and apple pie. Yeah, we're in Bobo Boy. Call him Bobo Boy.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Oh shit.
Yeah!
We're gonna get fucked up here, ain't we? Uh-oh.
Well, they're sliding out your ass, aren't they?
Wait, I gotta check the battery, man. I'll make sure we get the battery. Here we go. We're walking up the tracks to jump off the bridge. This is what you live for.
Look at Jay Wells, the American white boy, looking like fucking Parker.
That's my cousin.
Hey, look at these Bobos he's wearing. Flats.
And Parker.
Woo!
My brother Parker.
Who's that black flack?
I got a can of corn in this motherfucker. Who you kidding?
Yo, this tape's gonna be let's record this.
No trespassing.
No dumping. Wait a minute.
No trespassing.
No, I said no dumping.
No, whoa!
No dumping.
I'm calling the cops.
Let's get this sign right here. What's this one say?
It says no dumping neither.
No, no trespassing. Oh, somebody pay. Oh, private property. That's where we're going.
We're going on private property. I mean, property.
Private poverty. This is private poverty.
Whoa, watch the hill.
Yeah, watch the hill, Jay Wells. Don't fall down.
This is poverty.
I will not fall down the
Whoa.
hill.
Watch me. I'll fall over the hill.
This is poverty finest.
Yeah! Woo! He's back! Here he comes! He's back! We got it on record. We got 3/4 of the battery left to go. See who's up here.
What's it saying, low?
Nah, I got 3/4. Oh shit. Now I'm on low. Turn off now. Go ahead, yo.
Is it alright if I don't stick my arms up?
Go ahead. Just go straight in.
Don't drop my camera, kid.
Okay. Okay. He didn't hit the bottom, did he?
Did you hit?
And Bandcamp.
No, that button will record.
Yeah, you're cool. Yeah.
Get him good.
If you really do it back.
Holy shit. Yeah! Oh, Nick! Woo! You're the fucking king! Yeah! Holy shit! That was crazy. Oh my god. All right.
Jay Wells, get that fucking flag. Hurry up.
Where's the other?
Way down there, Nick.
Where?
Way down there. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh yeah, right.
That was crazy.
With the hat on.
Shit, I'll pay you $20 later.
He actually landed the backflip.
You fucking nailed it.
I didn't think it was gonna happen.
Yeah, hit the bottom, dude.
No, you did.
Did you?
Let's say.
Alright. That's cool.
Alright.
Record. Hear it? See it?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, now zoom him in and get them all.
What?
Alright, Nicholas.
No, I live like 20 minutes from here.
Yeah.
Where you live at?
No way, come on.
Oh yeah? I live in Hampton.
You gotta see it, alright?
Oh, fuck.
You fucking nailed it.
Check me out.
Yo, dude, you fucking nailed that, dude.